check out what we have here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Just in. And I believe this is the first one of these we've had. I know it's the first one I've ever done a video on. This particular car, 1995 Chevrolet Monte Carlo Z34 Coupe with the Brickyard 400 package. This is one of 400 made. It is sequence number 161, and that is designated on a dash plaque. You'll be able to see in the still pictures. Listen to this. One owner car. Carfax is going to state too. That's due to the fact the gentleman that owned this car had it in his business name, sold the business or transferred the business, so the car went into his wife's name. One owner car, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. 1,335 miles is all in this car. Look at how clean this front face is, free of nicks, dings, scratches, rock chips. Paint shows very well on this car. Graphics all look good. And it's 30 years old. Check out the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you to our website where you can see the still pics. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on the correct white wheels, Goodyear Eagle Radial GTs. I should say RSAs, not GTs. Look at the graphics, how nice those look. This is one of those cars you can kind of get in the collector car hobby without breaking the bank. And drive it some. It's got some miles you could put on it, have a good time. Local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. This would be a great one for your local shows. Interior, of course, the Brickyard embroidery on the back. Rest of the seats, bucket seats, leather center console. This is that dash plaque I was talking about a little earlier. Should be able to see 161 right there. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run. Take a peek underneath the hood. Underneath the hood, you're going to see it has a 3.4 liter V6 automatic with overdrive transmission, power steering, power brakes, AC. And up and down that passenger side, you can see this car's probably about as close to new looking as you could get. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. All right, some kind of paraphernalia or memorabilia will go along with this vehicle also. Window sticker, some of the original paperwork. Also ticket stubs from the 1994 inaugural Brickyard 400 race, as well as the official Brickyard inaugural race program will be included with it. And you'll see that in the still pictures, the stuff I'm talking about. I think there was a little model car of this that'll be in the still pics. As we take a look down this driver's side, and again, it's what you'd expect with this kind of miles. Well taken care of, stored car. If you like Monte Carlos, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here. This is a prime example. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, and that can be done either online or right off our showroom floor. Let's take a look at this interior. Of course, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Look at that door panel. Looks like brand new. No wear, discoloring, anything like that. Same with the seats. Power seat over here on the driver's side. And again, pretty much no wear on the seats, what you'd expect. Floor mats also in place. Tilt column, cruise control, AM, FM cassette player. If you want to know exactly how this car was equipped, again, the window sticker is in with the still pictures. There's the exact miles, 1,335. Ready for somebody to enjoy. Take a look at the top of the dash, like new. I haven't really played around with this radio at all. Don't see any reason why it wouldn't work. And it is Nazareth. All right, tachometer working, fuel gauge, and that was a cold start, so I expect that temp gauge to be up. Of course, HVAC controls. No surprises on the inside. How about The headliner also looking good. Slip around to the back. It's going to sound like you'd expect a 3.4 liter with less than 1,500 miles to sound. Be a fun car and one you don't see every day. All right, let me slip up to the front. I want to pause this video a second. We're going to get this hood popped, check out the engine bay, and Jason will take it out at the end of this video for a quick drive, show you how it goes down the road. All right, underside of the hood and hood liner looking nice and clean and tidy, and engine bay also what you would expect. Again, 1,335 miles. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. There it is. It is a beauty, folks. And like I said, get into the classic car hobby without breaking the bank. 1995 Chevrolet Monte Carlo Z34 Coupe, Brickyard 400 package, number 161 of 400. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. All those still pics. Look at the underside pics. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a special 1995 Chevrolet Monte Carlo with very, very low miles in very pristine condition from what I can tell. And this is the Indianapolis Motor Speedway Brickyard 400 edition. An automatic right here on the center console. Our fuel gauge is reading full. Temperature gauge about a quarter of the way, coming up on a quarter of the way up. Tachometer working as it should. The lower motor blowing air. The wipers also work. I'm just looking around thinking this looks like it's still in the showroom. It's an insanely clean car. And beautiful. It feels like new. Road manners are perfect. Let's check out the cruise control. Because even in storage, things can happen. Cruise control functioning as it should. I can't pick apart this car at all. Brakes nice and smooth. Stereo sounds great. It's even playing a great song. Yeah, if you're looking for one of these, I don't know that you'll find a better one. It corners great. Sounds like new. Accelerates very well. Take a look at all the pictures of this 95 Monte Carlo Indianapolis Brickyard 400 edition at UniqueClassicCars.com.